I welcome everyone back to my channel. This is the video. So today I will be guiding us on how we can mine goats Telegram airdrop on how we can mine it conveniently without doing mistakes. So this is actually a new project, and as you can see that this is a new project, and they only have about 1 million followers, subscribers on their Telegram. So it is better you join this early. And how are you going to mine it? But before that, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share this video so that you don't miss out on any update that will be coming up as from today on this channel. So the first thing is, the link will be in the description below. So just click on the link to start this project. This is one of the projects you should never miss. I know there are some people in the community that they missed out on dog airdrop, but this one is still fresh, so it's a thing you need to start immediately. So the first thing is, once you get there, connect your wallet. So we click on connect your wallet. I clicked on it. So for me, I think I've connected mine. So it's going to show what's next. So this task is just for us to participate and have a gift. They're going to give us a gift. We'll be giving something. We'll be giving some. There's a gift for completing this simple task. So I think I've done mine. So the next thing is for you to be able to get more coin. Is you need to come down to this mission. This place called mission one. Click on mission. So I click on. So every day you will be given a task to on this app. You'll be given a task to do. So the commission is going to load up. Let's wait for it to load. So as you can see that I have completed a lot of tasks. So as you try to scroll down, you can see that I've completed a lot of all these tasks. I've completed tasks. So if you're opening this for the first time, this is what I'm going to be saying. So this task is being updated every day. Every day. So just make sure you complete all these tasks. And the next thing is what? Friends. So you have to invite friends, but it's not that compulsory. But another thing is for you to be able to mine more time. As you can see, I have more than 150,000 coin, but I went to play this game. Let me quickly show you. You see this game called flipping. Flipping is that you are going to guess whether it is head or head or tail. Let me play. For example, now it's going to load up. Let's wait for it to load up. Let's wait for it to load up. It's going to show you. It's going to show you that okay, if you are going for head or tail, you are going to stake with your goat coin. So if you stake and it went on a negative side, that means you're going to lose your coin. So that's how it works. That's how it works.